This demo covers Case 360 view in Manufacturing Cloud in Service. When service agent logged in the system, they can see all case information at one stop. I have logged in as a service agent. On the case screen, I can see in the left hand side, it shows all key important fields in the case detail section: subject, status, type, priority, and description. In the contact tab, it shows linked contact information: contact name, account name, email, title, and phone. Inside the milestone, this is something to the agent who is working on the case. So as a part of case resolution, agent have to complete all the milestones which are highlighted to that case. I can see brand new action launcher which manufacturing cloud provides out of the box, and it helps agents to perform quick activities on case by using all these buttons. It shows the status bar, and for every status it provides the guidance for success to mark this status. So guidance for success provides the information to agent what are the required fields to mark the status as selected. Inside the details, it shows all other information of case, the case owner, asset which are linked to that case, support level, case number, contact, account, what is the case origin, type of case, subject, and all other information it shows inside the details. Inside the related tab, it shows case related information, case history, case comments if any. In the orders tab, it shows the orders of that case which are tied to the case. In the feed, where agent can use to communicate with the customer. So asset is linked to the case, and the asset information it shows in the right hand side asset details component: what is the purchase date of that asset, what is the installation date, serial number, asset id, model, and warranty status. It shows in the asset details. The knowledge component is useful to agent. If agent wants to resolve this case, then they can use the knowledge articles and they can resolve the case. If the agent wants to create a new article, they can click on the new article and they can create a knowledge article which would help other agents in future of similar kind of cases. Thank you.